Dennis, you're gonna draw a jellyfish.
Yeah, he's a chef and his name's Noodle. And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna use a new technique too. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start with our color marker, and I'm using blue. It's kind of a blue-green. And you're using?
Purple.
Yeah, our friends can use whatever color they want. And you don't have to use markers. Remember, you can use crayons or even colored pencils. This works with that too. Okay, we're gonna start by drawing, what are we naming our jellyfish again?
Noodle.
Noodle, okay.
Yes.
We're gonna draw Noodle's head. We're gonna draw an upside down letter U or a rainbow line. Then we're gonna draw a little bumpy line for the bottom all the way over to the other side. Looks like ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna draw Noodle's chef shirt or whatever it's called, uniform. We're gonna draw the shoulders and the arm coming out to the side, the diagonal lines coming out on both sides. Then we can also draw the part of the shirt coming down. That's the side of the shirt. Then we can draw the bottom of the shirt connecting. And then we're gonna draw the rest of the sleeves. We'll draw the armpit coming out on the side. And then we can connect it. Yes, okay, now we're ready for Noodle's tentacles, or lots of arms. We're gonna draw curving out to the side. We're gonna come back in and then into, so this is the arm on both sides. Okay, now let's draw a bunch of them coming out of the bottom of the shirt. So I'm going to draw two wiggly lines next to each other. And then we can draw a curve to connect the bottom. And I'm going to draw another one curving right down the middle. And you don't have to make them look the exact same wiggliness as mine. You can change them. There we go. And then let's draw another one out here to this side. Connect it. And then we're gonna draw even more in between. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw, whoop, there we go. Drew an extra little wobble at the bottom. And then wigglies over here on this side too. Oh, that looks awesome.
Yeah.
Except we need a chef hat. Let's draw two lines going straight up from the head. We're gonna draw a big bump and then another one in the middle and then another bump coming around to the other side. Okay, there we go. Now we need to color in the main shapes. We're gonna color in his head or her head, Noodle's head, and then we're gonna draw or color in the arms and also the tentacles. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and you can take time to color in the main shapes on your drawing. Now let's switch to our dark blue. We're gonna add little extra things for the chef clothing. We're gonna add a little stripe, the bottom of the chef hat. I'm gonna draw two lines going across the bottom, and then we can color that in too. Then I'm gonna add that same stripe to the end of the sleeves. So one stripe here, and another stripe over here on the right. And we could also give Noodle a little necktie or handkerchief, or what do you call this? A little scarf.
Yeah.
Going across his neck. Not really a neck, but you know what I mean. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna draw two little triangles coming in. We could also draw a knot connected in the middle, and then the end of the scarf sticking out the bottom on both sides. Yeah, okay, and then also let's add 4 dots, 2 on each side. Yeah, now it's starting to look like a chef. Okay, and let's also add extra things that our chef is hanging on to. We could use a brown for a rolling pin. I'm gonna draw a rectangle shape coming up and down. This is the middle part of the rolling pin. Maybe he's a baker instead of a chef. Well, they're kind of the same,
Yeah.
I think. Although some people might get upset at that. I don't know.
Maybe they might.
Yeah, I'm a chef. I'm not a baker. And then maybe the baker is, I'm a baker, not a chef. I don't know. We're going to draw the handle coming down and also the handle going up. I think it would be an honor to be both. I'm neither. Okay, there's our rolling pin. And then we could also add a whisk on the other side. And I'm going to draw a rectangle shape for the handle. Ooh, this is a really long whisk handle. And I'm going to switch to the fine tip on my marker. And we're going to draw the little wire part that comes up. Oh, we'll probably do this with the black. We'll change for the black because it's a little light. But we could draw that first. All right, now we're ready to switch to our black marker, and we're gonna add all of the cool lines, and he's missing a face, or she. Let's draw the smile first. We're gonna draw a really happy smile. And you can change this. You could draw it open, you could draw him screaming or singing. Maybe his muffins are burning.
He cooks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He sings while he cooks. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a circle for one eye. I was saying screaming because maybe his muffins were burning.
Oh yeah, that too.
But this one's happy. And then we could also add the small circle like we usually do, but see how it's blue inside? We could add or use a white colored pencil to make that lighter, or you could just color it in solid. Now let's go around the whole thing, and we're going to trace around and add a black border or black outline for everything. So let's redraw all of the same shapes that we first drew. I'm going to add the top and also a bumpy line for the bottom. And we're going to go a lot faster since we're just repeating all of the same steps and tracing what we've already drawn. And I'm going to draw around the top for the hat. Yeah, there you go. And then we could also trace around the shirt, our chef shirt. And draw around the bottom and then also around the sleeves. Yeah. All right, now let's trace around our rolling pin. We'll do the rectangle shape and the handles and the handle down here. And then we could also trace around his arm. I'm gonna go behind the handle and then trace around the bottom. And then let's do the same thing over here. We'll trace around first the whisk, and also let's add more wires. I'm gonna draw around the top first. And then let's start at the top, and we're gonna draw another one right next to the first one we drew. And then we can also draw one right down the middle. All right, now let's finish the right arm. And then we can fast forward this next part. We're gonna trace over all of the legs.
Okay.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring Noodle, and she turned out awesome. But especially love yours.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and we added little extra things too, like shadow.
And highlights to make them shiny.
Yeah, but you could add even more things, like an entire background.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Noodle with us.
We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.